my name is Mitterrand. I am from Brazil. I work for RT Reporting and I'm currently working as a software developer. At the beginning, I had applied for a different job, and then one of TECLA consultants, and he take a look at my resume, and he thought that maybe it was that there was another position open that makes more sense, right? And then we started with RT reporting. So I think that you guys were very thoughtful regarding that. Since the beginning, TECLA was trying to close the gap, right, as much as possible. So I would get almost like every day questioning how is the process doing? Do you need anything? And I think that made me feel a little bit more confident that I was also well prepared for the job, but that I wasn't like wasting my time in the process, right? Because they were so eager to make that happen. Then I felt that it could really work, and it did, right? It's been really great. It was full of challenges at the beginning. Now I feel that I can comprehend the business a lot more. The one that was responsible for my onboarding was the head of the RT report company. It was really easy to get along, right? And I felt really welcome. And I think we had a quick onboarding because of that, right? It was straightforward. So if I had any questions, I could ask him anything, and he was open to take his time and make me understand. Because of that, like face-to-face relationship, I got to learn a lot about the business. It's a direct channel. I can contact and he will respond very quickly, even though we have the time difference, right? But it feels like we are face-to-face, even though it's remote. If I can give one advice, it would be you should be seeking for positions that you have truly had experience in the past, right? Even though you are starting at the job, you need to put a good impression. I think it's a great opportunity if you are looking to work abroad. So you get to meet a lot of different people from different cultures, right? So I think that's really important.